Hello everyone, I'm Tilly Douglas from Visual Sense Crafts and I'm really excited because I've got a delivery and it's all sock yarn. And it was all from Wool Warehouse and from their clearance section. So really excited to have a look through this together. If you've seen the video I made when I bought a sock knitting machine that had really seen better days, it was in a terrible state, and I got it all sorted out, cleaned it up, put it back together and got it all working. So I've been practicing on some just ordinary scrap acrylic yarn really, and I thought about time I got some proper sock yarn and had a proper go with it. So this is my first delivery of sock yarn. So I love it from Wool Warehouse because it always comes in these gorgeous bags, these organza bags, and I always keep these because they're great for storing your yarns in. So let's have a look what we've got. And now I've written down the prices, what they were supposed to be and what they were in the clearance section. So these lovely colours, look at these absolutely beautiful colours. Now this is opal and opal style. Isn't that a gorgeous colour? Look at that, isn't it beautiful? I absolutely love that. And this, how many did I get? I got 4 of these, opal style. This was £7.99, reduced to £5.99. And they are 100-gram balls. Let's put my glasses on so I can actually see the label. And this colour is called Unique. Beautiful, beautiful colour. And it is 75% wool and 25% polyamide. Absolutely gorgeous. 4 of them. Beautiful. It's actually really soft. Beautiful and soft. So 4 balls of that one. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. And the next one is opal light, and this one is 2 balls. 2 balls of that one, 4 of that one, and this is called, oh, I don't know if I can pronounce this. I'm going to show you the label there, and I'll let you pronounce that how you think it should be said, because I'm not very good at that sort of thing. But isn't that a absolutely beautiful colour? Gorgeous. I love it. Now opal light, and this was £7.49, reduced to £4.99. Bargain. I love a bargain. So 2 of those. Now I only got 2 of those because there was only 2 left, and this is from the clearance section at Wool Warehouse. So you have to make sure when you're buying, obviously it's a clearance section, so the chances are they're not going to get any more. So you have to make sure you've got enough for your project when you buy it. So they only had 2 of these, and I couldn't resist the colour because I loved it. So make sure you get enough when you order it, and if you haven't got enough, then don't get it. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is another opal light, so the same make, same style, and this one, I can pronounce this one, it's called Balance. So these are 75-gram balls. So again, £7.49 reduced to £4.99. And I got 4 of those. And look at that colour. Beautiful, beautiful colour. Love it, love it, love it. And that's kind of like dark greys and a bit of cream and a little bit of, I don't know what you call that, light brown, very nearly red, reddy brown, beautiful. And actually it's quite handy on these because it actually shows you how it knits up on the sock. So that looks absolutely stunning. I should show you that on the other two actually, shouldn't I? Let me show you those. So this is the other one of this Opal Light, and that's how that knits up. Can you see that? There, that's a bit better. Looks lovely, doesn't it? A lovely striping yarns. And this other one, which was the Opal Style, is there. Knits up beautifully. Absolutely stunning. So 4 of those. Can't wait to have a go with these. Absolutely love the colours. Now, Debbie Bliss. Now I love Debbie Bliss yarns, and I've got 4 of those. So there's another 2 of that one there. So 4 of this style. Debbie Bliss Rialto Luxury Sock. And let's see, that's the colour. Lots of different colours in there. Lovely, lovely and soft. And this one is, see if I can see the colour. It's tough to see that on some of these labels where the colour is. Colour 14, dialogue. Can't see the colour on that one. It's just got a number. That's the trouble, you see. They just put a number on. So I got 3 colours, and I think this one, which is the other one, is Glastonbury. Now, I bought Glastonbury because I love going to Glastonbury. I haven't been for a few years actually, but I've been many times and absolutely love it. So, love the colour, and it just seemed right because Glastonbury. So, love that one. So, I got 3 colours, and one is Glastonbury, Fusion, and Roskilde. Roskilde, Roskilde. Not sure how you pronounce that. So 4 of each colour, and they was £9.99 down to £5.99. So that's a pretty good saving, isn't it? And this is the 3rd colour, which I got 4 of. Yeah, it's quite annoying actually that they don't put the name on the label. They just put the number. And I think that's quite annoying. They have the name on the website, but they don't have it actually on the yarn themselves. So 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And if you look in here, look, you can see as it opens up like that, all the different colours that come through. Doesn't that look absolutely beautiful? All those different colours. Now on these as well, they don't have the how it knits up on the socks like this, which is always handy really, isn't it? But don't have it on these. But it's beautiful yarn, and it does. I love working with this yarn. It's beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. Beautiful and soft. Lovely colours. Just annoying that they don't put the actual colours on the labels. And that is the same with James C. Brett chunky yarns, because I love James C. Brett chunky yarns, and the marble chunky I use loads of. Beautiful for making blankets, and I absolutely use loads of it, but annoyingly they only have numbers on as well. So it's such a shame really, but that's the way it is. That's the way the world is. So all these beautiful yarns, they just all look so different, don't they? And I'm always being asked where to get yarns from online. and I'm in the UK, so Wool Warehouse is one of my favourite places, and I also love Deramores. I also get from Poundland, Pound Stretchers, all those sort of places, and I buy from markets quite a lot as well, because there's lots of markets. There's a lot. I live near Lincoln, and there's a brilliant market in Lincoln that sells yarn, and I go there quite a lot. I think she probably likes it when I turn up at the store, because I usually spend quite a lot of money there. Can't help it. Anyway, that's my sock yarn haul, all sock yarn. So if you haven't seen my sock yarn my sock knitting machine video, take a look at that, because I'm going through the different stages of how it was when I got it, and then I cleaned it all up and sorted it all out, and then started it up, and eventually I got it working, and it was beautiful. Have a listen to how it sounds. I'm going like this, look, because that's what I'm doing, cranking it round, and it just sounds beautiful. So now I've got my sock yarn, and I need to transfer it all onto cones, make it easier, or just into yarn cakes. Makes it a lot easier on the machine to work. So that's my next thing to do with all that beautiful yarn, and hopefully I'll be able to show you how I've made my socks on my sock knitting machine. So that's my haul for today, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.